what we say, the practicals. Okay, so in the today's fast-paced world, automation is the key to staying ahead, right? One powerful tool Salesforce professional is using scheduling flow to run automatically at set time, right? So basically, in this chapter, you will understand basically what exactly the schedule trigger flow and which allow you to automate task process with the precisions. Okay, and like we have in this record trigger flow, the tool we say called schedule path, right? Schedule path is for after minute, for after 1 month you wanted to send that, you can do it, right? But in the schedule path there's a glitch, not a glitch, there's a limitation. You cannot send it daily, right? If you wanted to perform some kind of operation daily on a particular interval of time, then what you will do? Getting it, my question? So that is the difference between schedule path and schedule trigger flow. Okay, schedule trigger flow comes into play as a solution to address these presenting business needs. They allow organization to automate these time demand action with precision and reliability. By setting up schedule flow, business can ensure that tasks execute at all right time. Okay, at the right time, reducing the risk of human error, ensuring operational efficiency. And imagine that you want to enhance your customer engagement by sending a personalized birthday greeting to your contact from Salesforce. Okay, sending this greeting on a time is critical to show in your client that you value their business and care about the special days. However, manually sending these greetings daily can time consuming and can cause the error. This is the one example which you can use in the schedule trigger flow. Okay, and if we say error, like the schedule trigger flow basically do this thing: data collection, okay, and then flow configuration, message personalization, email delivery, error handling. So which means the schedule trigger flow allow you to automate your birthday greeting message to your contact. Okay, data collection, first you will need to collect all the main customer data, include contact detail and birthdays in your CRM system. Okay, the data will serve as its foundation to your automated birthday greeting campaign. Okay, you're getting it what I'm trying to explain? Am I too fast? The pace is up to the mark. Is it okay, guys? Shravan, you're getting what
Yeah,
I'm trying to explain?
uh, but Subham, you can share the questions chat.
Yeah, yeah, please go ahead. I'll share the question, don't worry. Hina, you're saying something, go ahead.
No, no.
No question? You just raised the hand, I thought. Okay. I'll explain that question, don't worry, Sarvan. First of all, we need to understand the theory, what exactly it do. Like if somebody tell you what you can achieve with the help of schedule trigger flow, then what do you say? You can give the example of, with the help of schedule trigger flow, we can send the automated birthday greeting message. Now you say, why I cannot do it for the other, correct? Or you can ask this question, correct? But in this scenario, in the other flow, it's quite, typical to find when that birthday is and how that is achievable with other flows as well. But the schedule triggered flow is most preferable solution as compared to using the another flow for the birthday greetings. Got it?
Yeah,
Any question? It's clear?
no.
Okay. So, and I said, like whenever we use, Satyam, you're saying something?
Shubham, schedule triggered higher
Your
process.
voice is not coming, Satyam.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, but a little less.
Yeah.
Can you tell me?
Schedule trigger a higher process. I did not.
Sorry? Schedule trigger flow is higher process what?
Higher process. First higher in this process.
No, no. Basically, I didn't understand your question, but let me try to explain what I understood from your message. Like you're saying, schedule trigger flow is highly recommendable, right? When we have to send the birthday greetings. Am I correct? Satyam?
Yes, yes.
Okay, got it. So you are trying to basically explain the schedule trigger flow, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So first thing I said is data collection. Like when you start working on your schedule trigger flow, you'll follow the data collection.
Okay.
Okay, let me share my screen and let me just build one picture. Can you see my screen, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for confirming.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, then it will be better. Okay. Schedule trigger flow. Let's increase this. Okay, this is the one. Okay, the first thing we'll do here, if you say schedule trigger flow, right? Schedule trigger flow. Okay, I'll just keep like this. Try to understand what I'm trying to say. Okay,
Yeah, I
because
understand.
I'm not good with the paint. Okay, that's the schedule flow, and we have a type of a like what steps you have to follow basically in schedule trigger flow. Let's keep like this. Okay, let's keep like this. First one was talking about data collection, right? So let's type like this: data collection, data. I'm very bad with the paint. Collection. Okay, data collection. Okay, let me do like this. One second.
Please choose the text here.
Yeah, data collection. Okay, another one. Flow configuration. Flow configuration. Spelling. Try to adjust with the spelling. Configuration. Configuration. Okay. Now message personalization. As I said, birthday message, right? Message personalization. Message personalization, and the other thing called email delivery. Email delivery that you can do with the other one as well, but at a specific date. Let's suppose your birthday is tomorrow and you get a message today. That doesn't make sense, right? It's not a feasible solution. Got it? If your birthday is tomorrow, then the message should deliver tomorrow, like at 12 a.m. today, right? At the tomorrow night, right? Not today. Getting it?
Yeah.
Any other people? Thank you, Satyam, for confirming.
Yeah, yeah, I understand.
Thanks, brother. Shubham, your reply, Shubham Singh. You getting it, guys? Kajal,
Yes, sir.
Hina. That makes sense what I'm trying to say, correct?
Yes.
Just let me know
Yes.
I'm not correct. Okay, so when I say schedule trigger flow, you have to follow these steps. Please keep this in mind. First of all, you need to collect the data and then configure the flow according to your business need. And message personalization, as I said, the birthday example, and the email delivery. And if email doesn't trigger, how you'll handle the error, correct? So there is a place where you can check if your flow is fail. I'll tell you that. Okay. Now the benefits are as follow: efficiency and consistency, improve customer relationship, time resource saving, and scalability. This every flow does, correct? I already explained. Efficiency means automation ensure that every birthday greeting is sending promptly and consistently. This is not only saving time but also eliminates the possibility of human error in sending emails. There could be a chance if you created a let's suppose email template from your end and you are trying to send the email manually. Let's suppose your birthday is tomorrow and you are sending the email manually. This is time consuming, right? So if you automate the process and then automatically it will send the email, which means it decreases the human error, correct? Now, time and resource saving. You don't need to type manually. That's time saving. And you don't need to keep your resource busy for that because that can be done by automation. Okay. Scalability. As your contact list grow, Let's suppose you have 500 employee in your company right now, and after 2 years, it changes to 5,000. To handle the list of birthdays of all the employees of your company, and in this scenario, automation is the best solution to do that. Understood my question? My explanation is clear, up to the mark, or you require little more discussion on this?
Yes, I'm clear.
You want more? One more discussion?
No.
Or good for now. You understand the example. So my
Yeah.
entire point of view to discuss this, like time consuming will decrease if you use automation. Writing a manual message, that decrease that human error. If you will increase the number of employee in your company, and then you want to send the email, then automation is the best solution to provide the birthday greeting message to the customer. Understood? Or your employee. Girls, what's your opinion? Yes, no, anything? Like Hina and Kajal, you guys getting it? You're with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's take the example. It's quite boring while discussing the theory, so it's better to work on the
No, this is interesting.
implementation. Oh yeah, that's thank you, Shravan. You liked it. Okay. So two flow we already covered. This is the schedule trigger flow, and this is the example of schedule trigger flow. I already explained about the schedule trigger flow, right? Now let's see. Now you guys can elaborate the difference, like with manual sending the message or automatically sending the message. There's a certain difference, and it's quite less time taking process.
First
Okay.
of manual sharing.
Yeah, exactly. Manually sharing the email, it's quite time consuming, chance of error a lot. You missed the name of the person, the greeting message can change, right? But if automations appropriately configure, you don't need to keep one person involved in this process. Okay. Now go to the flow. Okay, just choose the schedule trigger flow. Next, here's the schedule flow. Okay, right? Now after that, you see here, you see the message, like steps. Now if you see here and compare with the previous flow, you don't need to choose object and add the condition like that. Firstly, you have to set the time when you like to run this particular schedule flow. Correct? At what time, at what date you like to configure. Okay, good guys. So let's set the time. Let's suppose at 26th of January. Okay, 2025. Okay, that's correct. And let's say at, okay,
No, select the current time,
you want
23,
that? Perfect. Okay, no problem. I thought I was trying to being little uh
5, 20,
five.
5:20.
Yeah, that's okay. 23 is there, right?
No, 5:20.
Oh, you're saying 520. It's a time period. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
No, that I do that. Don't worry. You
Okay.
wanted to check right now. Agree. Thank you for showing the interest. Yeah, that's make it 5:30. Okay,
Yeah.
that'll be better. Now the scenario here is like daily I want to perform this. Every day at 5:30 p.m. I like to perform this kind of operations. Okay.
Okay.
Now what we do, we just create a new resource. We'll go here and create a new resource. Till here it is okay. I'll come to that. Let me first create that resource variable and have a look. Today date. Okay. Now, API name data type should be date. Okay. Now formula is only, nothing much. Oh, my bad. It should be formula. Now here data type will be date, and here we'll type today. Okay. Click the done. First of all, check this formula is correct or not. Click on this. Definitely it will be correct. Done. Got it? Okay. Now let's use the get record. Error I didn't given the name. Today's date. Done. Okay. Now let's choose the get record. Get record here I use contact basically. I'll fetch all the contact. And there's a fields on contact called birthday, right? Oh my god, it's not opening yet. Get record. Okay. Now give the label here. Get contact record. Okay. Choose contact over here. Yeah, the contact. Now condition will add birthday equal to today. Okay. Birthday. As I said, there's a field called birthday equal to today's date, the variable which we created, right? Okay. And the email shouldn't be blank, correct? If the email is blank, whom you'll send the email, right? Email field should be with some value, okay? In the email format. Email null is null blank. It means false. Is null false. It shouldn't be false. Like it should be true. Yeah, it shouldn't be false means it shouldn't be blank. Okay. All good. How many record? Just make it all record. And don't be worried about the time. I'll change it if this time passed to 5:30. No worries. Okay. 5:30 automatically stores a record. Okay. Now add an element called loop. This is done. I will use loop. Now we'll use this get record in the loop, right? Loop. Okay, that's the loop. Loop on get account, get contact. Sorry, loop on get contact. Okay, understood? Get contact. We're good now. Perfect. Now just choose a new resource button again. Do here. Resource. Then variable. Resource type text. Okay. Okay. Done. Name should be email. Another one is list of email. We'll create which contain the collections of list of email. Okay. Data type text, and when a moment I say list, I need to click on the collection because more than one record. Got it? Okay. Click on the done. Okay, list email is done. Text. Now let's use assignment variable. Assignment variable. Assign email. This will store us in email. First of all, I use a single email. Okay. Equal loop on email. Email. Okay. Email field this one. Okay. Another one, list of email. Like add all the list of email over here. List of email. Contact and then in the email. Got it. Okay. Perfect. So that is it. Now what we do, assembly is ready. Now what next we have to do, decision element come into the picture. This is okay now. Now if this is done, now we'll create a decision element. Just click on the decision element. Everything is clear till now. Should I explain? Guys, please ask. Anyone? Kajal, Hina, Shravan, Satyam, Shubham.
No, sir.
No question? Thank you. You're with me? So what I did basically, I'll tell you till now. That will come on further steps. First of all, I taken all that contact record in my system, and I added the two condition: birthday, and we had, because we had to send the email on the birthday, correct? And birthday field should be equals to the today's date which I taken the variable. And after that, I taken in another condition called email shouldn't be blank on the contact record page. The email shouldn't be blank, right? Let's suppose the email is not there, then where the email will send. Okay. And now that get record I utilize in the loop, and then I taken two assignment variable. One is two, sorry, resource variable. One is the for single email that will load that, and then other one is the list of email which will contain more than one email, right? So that's the first thing. Now the list of email decision will come, and here we do the checking, and then it will do the further steps. Then we'll use the email actions, and then we'll try it. Okay. Clear till now?
Yes.
I'm just asking cross checking because you guys can understand what actually happening. That's why. So first of all, we need to give the check. So this is a very generic question. You can receive if you, let's suppose, switch from noob tree, or if you are in noob tree only. If you know go somewhere else, this kind of requirement is very common. At least you should know how to implement this, right? I saw many customers who come with this issue and said like, I am unable to do that, please help me with this implementation. Basically we are not allowed to support with the implementation, but yeah, a small implementation we do just to save ourselves from the DSAT in the support perspective, I'm saying. Okay. So all conditions met, list emails. Not this, there's a variable called list email, collection variable. And now is null false, it shouldn't be false. Then only it will send the email. Because if the email list of email is blank, it came till here. Till here it is blank, then that doesn't make sense. Then where the email will go? Understood? Okay.
Yes.
Now that's the one criteria. List email is null. Checking list. There's one more criteria. Okay. Email is null. Okay, that's one more. Okay, that's default. We can rename it as email is null. Null. Okay. So now you can see the two classification things. Decision. If this is true, it will go here. If it is not true, it will go there. So for here, what we'll do, we'll choose send email. You can use send email alert as well, but let's choose send email. Send email. This is the one. Email alert I'm not using because again it's quite lengthy process. You have to create a email template and then you will have to try. So let's try with this for now. Okay. Because whenever you use email alert, you have to first of all create the email alert. Then only you can use the email alert action over there. But I'm directly using send email. From here also you can send the email. Let's suppose if the customer come or if you got any requirement in the future, like how you can send the email from the flow. There's a two-way. One is send email, another one is um, email alert. Got it, guys?
Yeah, got it.
Yes.
One yes is enough. Like one person will say yes. That's also good. I want to just check your availability on this. Okay, now the body, right? What we send in the body. Here we go to the body, and here we use happy birthday. Like just a single statement. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, spelling is little wrong. Birthday. Okay, that's the one. The other one is recipient address collections. You see, this is important. Collection means more than one record. We need to create a list. We have to pass here. Which one will pass? Anyone can suggest?
List of
Guys?
email.
List of email. Perfect. Okay. Shravan is replying, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Rich text format true. Rich text format true. True. Okay. And subject is happy birthday. So wait, almost done. Happy birthday. Okay. Till here, everything is clear, right, guys? Now let's save it and see the behavior. Basically, when flow is started increasing that too much loop and too much get record, at that time it's quite confusing. Correct? It seems like where I am, what I'm doing, I'm not able to understand. I saw one case. I'll tell you the story. One of the customer came with a numerous of zigzag thing, like numerous of get record, numerous of loop. In this scenario, the flow become a little tough. So if your basic is clear, you're good to deal with it. And I was definitely not that good with flow, but still I'm learning with the help of you people, and that's great for me as well, for you as well. Okay, save it. Let's
But
activate and test.
time is expire.
We'll change it,
Fine.
brother. Don't worry.
Okay.
Thanks for letting me know.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's change it. As Shravan suggested, the time is past. So let's make it what you suggest, Shravan. Like guys, tell me one thing. I just want a feedback from you people. The previous thing, whatever I discussed, whatever I taught you, does it helpful? Like, is it helping that agent force which I taught? It was helpful.
Hmm. 50. 45.
10%, 5%. You can utilize. You can implement.
Yes.
Other people, girls specifically, and other
Yes.
Satyam, Shubham. Is it helpful? Like, am I
Yes,
good to continue with another topics, or you want some other trainer so that I can discuss with Ranjan sir and tell him to provide you a good trainer?
No, it's good.
It's
You
good.
are
Oh
good.
my god, thank you. That's great. Okay, because next topic I'm going to teach that is called CPQ. After that,
CPQ.
yeah,
Okay.
that's quite good in the market. It's too much in demand, and
Okay.
if time permits, I teach you velocity as well.
Okay.
But yeah,
I am first learning.
yeah. But the thing is, if I teach and I do mistakes, I don't know anything. Still, I'll say Salesforce. I do not have any knowledge in Salesforce.
Okay.
So that's my way of teaching. Okay, so let's try. And 534. Let's create one record. 533 is there. Let's switch this contact. Where's contact? अरे भाई कहाँ गया contact? Contact. Shit. I have a contact with my name. With my happy birthday. Seven. What's your birthday, Seven? Tell me. Tell me your email and let's celebrate your birthday.
Any random.
Any random?
Shravan email ID.
You don't want to disclose? Okay. Email ID. Tell me your email ID. Let's see if this will. I change it. Email ID. Let me share my email ID. Let it be. Arey yaar. The time passed. Where is the? Okay. Let's see. It's triggered or not. We'll check this later. It's active. It should trigger basically. Let's see. How we'll check it? First of all, we'll come on the paused and failed flow. Paused and failed flow. Okay. If it is failed, it will come here. Thanks, brother. And then you can see. Let me open that first of all. Okay, so it is not paused. I'll see the failed. If it was failed, it will number of contact. It didn't fail. Okay, these two only is failed, right? Now check the scheduled path. Here you will not check time-based flow. Here you will check scheduled path. Sorry, scheduled job. In the scheduled path, you will check time-based workflow. In the scheduled flow, you will check scheduled jobs.
Schedule
Clear?
job. Yeah.
Satyam, you're not saying something? You're with me?
Yes, sure.
Okay, girls, you understood what I'm trying to explain?
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Okay, let me put this in the group so that you can play around with this, and Niranjan can, sir can also see that what actually we discussed. So after this requirement, please be specific. You definitely got a requirement of flow, like Kajal received today. Scheduled flow, scheduled job, scheduled jobs. Okay. Now you see if it was successfully triggered, it will come in the scheduled jobs. Else it will throw that on this pause and fail flow. So yeah, process automation, time based. Where's the birthday? Oh my god. Schedule jobs. Where's the birthday one? Create new. 1 second, guys. Definitely, I did some blunder. That's why it was not coming. So let's wait for 2 minutes and let's see. Type job name. Type is flow. Schedule trigger flow. Let's see what we have in this. Schedule flow. Okay. Insert. Save it. Have a check. See, it succeeded. Got it? Now let's see the email you wanted to check first of all, right? So let me create one contact and let me schedule it. 1 second. Someone already shared why to play around with other people. You saw that is succeeded, which means my schedule flow is appropriately triggered, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, now, yeah. Mobile email flow. Email is where's email, man? Yeah, here's email. Okay, now it's okay. Save. So we have one, and now see the birthday. I need to add the birthday field as over here as well. Here's the birthday. Here's your birthday. So let's make it 23 is the birthday from now you will celebrate. Okay. Okay. Now try to play around with the flow. Previously we do not have the record ready. Oh, sorry, this is the wrong thing. Now let's deactivate and do the changes. Okay. It's 5:38. Make it 40. 40, okay? 40. See for new version. See. Activate. Okay. Shravan, please keep your email open. Okay.
Okay.
And meanwhile, we stay here. Let's see. Yeah, here if you see the moment it will come, the one record will appear over here. Let's see. There's one now. 2 seconds will open as well if it will trigger successfully. One more minute remaining. Let's see. Let me know, Shravan, when you receive the email. Okay. Put the screenshot in the group.
Okay.
Now, yeah, let's refresh it. Let's see if the record come over here or not.
Not come.
Not coming.
No.
1 second. हाँ ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है भाई एक्टिविटी है क्या हाँ
AM.
came
That's schedule the time AM है. But अभी
oh अच्छा अरे thanks man okay my bad really sorry it should be basically PM correct yeah okay surprise yeah it's there
but not come.
गलत बात है भाई it's not correct let me see I told many things about that now it's straight away yeah ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है 1 second 23 is correct oh what I taken brother see the date I am little dumb that's why oh, correct no format is not correct or what happened 23 now let's debug it why it's not working debug pause bit behavior run flow in the rollback mode whenever you run the check this particular trigger flow always check in the rollback mode let's see loop current iteration list email 7 you read right
Yeah, right.
oh, why this kind oh yeah it's null false correct here it is sending brother now why this happened okay let's see pause then fail flow so we have debugging failed definitely it failed to some reason no didn't fail oh acha understood 1 second let's generate the email log you guys know email log what it is email log if the sales email is sent from Salesforce to Gmail client server right then it will not trigger then we will check this why Salesforce is a different MTA means mail transfer agent right and it's a sender MTA and the receiver is what Google that is Gmail is the recipient right you will receive the email on email client what we are using Gmail. Okay. So now let's see why it is not coming. I believe just because it is my company org, I was not able to add some other people because I chosen the email of Shravan and that didn't accept it. Okay. Let's make it 543. Okay. Starts with 540. Okay. When we sent 540, right? Let's make it
545.
539. Okay. Click on this reception, deliver, transient failure, permanent failure, and inbound, outbound. And let me change this. Um, okay, let's see why it's not working. It's ready now. It takes hardly 2 minutes. Oh, why 2 minutes? Cancel. Oh, two times I clicked. That's why. So the moment it is ready, it will give you one record in this. You need to extract that CSV file, and then you see R means recipients, D means delivered, T means temporary failure, P means permanent failure. Got it?
Yeah.
Mail events. Generate. Reception. R means reception. Reception. The person who's going to receive the email. Okay. D means deliver. Deliver. Okay. You guys ever tried this before in the past? First time you guys listening? Kajal?
Yes, Shubham.
You tried this before? Never came across? You're not audible, Kajal, if you're speaking.
Hello.
Yeah.
Are you asking anything?
Yeah, I'm asking like you ever came across with email logs?
Yeah.
Came? Perfect. That's great. That's great. If you came, that's great. Transit fell to T, okay. But if the guys who don't know, they can understand. Seven, what about you? You came across first time?
Sorry, Shubham.
I'm saying you experienced this first time. You ever saw that before?
Mm-hmm.
Reception, deliver. What about Hina?
First time.
First time. Perfect. No problem. Let's refresh it and see.
Yeah, first time. My first time.
You also? Okay. No worries, brother. Let's see. Oh, it didn't load. Oh, downloaded. Now download the zip file. Zero. Oh, see. The problem here is now you see the email log is zero. Email event is zero. I saw that. Let me open this. And it's zero basically. When this size is 0 KB. See. Now you see in the Excel it's basically zero. Nothing sent. Why is that so? Basically, we have to check this mail event. If it is fail, you'll see P and T. If it is succeeded, it will come over here. Now my question is why it didn't generate anything. The guys who know prior this, they can help why this didn't generate it. Guys. Submit. Let's see. Let's wait for this. Meanwhile, check why it's failed. Why it's not capturing. Whatever. Okay, I made a blunder. You know what blunder? Anyone can help? Anyone can help? Anyone can notice what blunder I made? Understood why? Guys, I didn't choose the contact as an object. I think
Yes.
here we have to choose object as well. See, that's optional basically. Okay, let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Again 0. Surprise. Nothing is there. You see here, number of record is 0. Means something happened over here. Let me see. It's optional, but let me choose the object. Deactivate.
Please choose your object.
Yeah. Object contact. But that is optional. I thought that's not mandatory. So I
Mhm.
didn't take much attention on that. Okay, no worries. Let the system reflect. Reply. Suddenly frozen. Okay. Contact. ठीक है. Okay. Make it none. Save a new version. One second. Let me change this. Okay. Edit. Just take 1 more minute from now. You know, there could be a time zone issue as well. Basically, this email log run on the GMT, right? GMT is a different time zone. It's London time zone. Okay, this email log run on the GMT. Okay, maybe my time zone is different of the org. That's why it's not detected. It's reflected. Okay, if nothing flow is appropriate, there's no any problem with the flow because in the debug it is working fine. You guys can see that, right? Right, guys. Let's see. And one email should sent again to your birthday. Check that email again, Shravan.
Okay.
Yeah.
53 right now.
I make it 52. 52. 52, sir.
Okay.
52, sir. Yeah. No. Schedule path. Shravan contact flow. Schedule path. After that, this will not work. We'll check the time now. Later. Uh, schedule type path. Job. 52 is there.
No.
Not came.
No.
Why? Unbelievable. Why that's so? Dot failing, nothing happening still. Didn't populated. Why is it? Schedule basically for 551. No, it's come like that. You see, submitted 551. Ended 5720. Oh, next schedule time is this. See the time submitted at 551, and then it's coming. It will not create another record. It will show the same thing. Okay.
20 subah morning.
Yeah. Let's see. Next time it will run for 24. Okay, let's make it 24. Next schedule is 451. Time zone issue, brother. It's not something weird in mistakes. Okay.
Okay.
Let me see. Because it is coming here. If it was not capturing here, then there could be a flow problem in the flow. And if it is not showing here as a succeeded, then there could be a problem in the flow, right? The flow is correct. Maybe my time zone is different. So let me see. Okay. Let me see the time zone. Hmm. I'll make it IST. Let's see. Hmm. It's IST. What the problem? What's the
Indian.
problem? India, 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 India.
It's
No,
not.
I think that's correct. No, I don't want to make it Hindi. That's a language. Locally English. Okay. India. Iris. Well, I believe my org is not coming in India. Right? India. Okay. Hindi. India. Let's see if we can.
Hindi, India.
Let's see. I'm a little worried it shouldn't change the language. Okay. Let me change again the time period. You guys, girls, you're getting it? What I'm trying to say?
Yes, so
Okay. Hina is not speaking anything. It's see there on the call or she left.
No, I'm here.
Yeah, you're not interacting. I thought you were angry or something. Job schedule. Okay. This time I'll do one thing, Shravan. Instead of you, I'll edit it and I'll update my detail. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Maybe there could be the problem because of that. Not accepting. Okay. Birthday age today. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Need a note. Cash free. Oh, see, it's changed to Hindi. Oh my God, that's the problem. This is incorrect. Hindi, 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 Hindi change करो यार.
So let me check.
Yeah, please check. Please check, sir. India, Asia, GMT, yeah, correct है यार. Why? Yeah, यार. Australia में तो लेते हैं, ठीक है, correct है. Ah, no, cancel. India, Kolkata. क्या है वाला? Not Colombo. Save it. Okay, let's see again. Let's edit the flow. Change the time to 5:57. Okay, save a new version. Save it. Activate हो जल्दी हो जाओ. Activate. Yeah. Let's see. 5:56. See the schedule flow. It should be last updated to 5:56. Okay, it's Hindi. 5:56. Takes time. Maybe get ready. Was updated. Reflect changes will. Okay. English I didn't change. Let me save. Let me see if I see the email. $5:56 last 7 a.m. What is
English, India right now.
Yeah, English India. No problem. It's loading maybe. Let me see the phone if I receive in the phone. नहीं आया phone में. नहीं है यार, ये सरप्राइजिंग है. 5:56 p.m. Next schedule at this 25, 24. People delete was created. The ideal situation is not failing even. If it was failing at times, we can
I
troubleshoot.
think
It was not failing at all.
send email on 7/21 like this tomorrow.
Yeah, let's see. I'll check it. It was not accepting, so let it be. But it's not working. But you understand the flow, how you can troubleshoot, how you can utilize, right? Guys, you understood, right? Maybe it's not coming. That's okay. But the concept is similar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Concept you understand, right? If it is not, because if it was failing, one more thing we can check here. We can check the, what is it, the pause and fail flow and the debug log. The debug log can show why it is not coming. Okay, so that is another step of troubleshooting. I did both the steps of troubleshooting and it is not working. I'm not sure why, but yeah, this way it is. If you see, it will come in the failed, but in our case our flow is still not failed, right? See, only send email to contact, that is not failed. Let me do the last try and let's see if this will not work, then we'll check this later on. Okay,
Okay.
my main scenario, you understand the concept or not? Maybe I'm not
Yeah.
correct here, so you understand the concept, right? That's the main
Yeah.
goal of mine. Let's see, let's change this to something else. Who's this server? That's the birthday. Can I keep it for 23? Format is this. Yeah, 23, 12. Yeah, correct. Or the format is different. No, format is correct. 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay. Now let's see. One more time. Let's hit it and try this to 6 p.m. If you implement the same, you check in your org. Maybe in my org the time is the concern, but let's see. Activate 6.2. See now what it will do and what it will do.
Please check your email ID.
My email as it's opened already. Waiting for the email to get trigger. Your email log has completed. That's different. 6.2. Okay, 1 second. 6. IST equal to EST. $7:32 a.m. That's why it's saying 7:32 a.m. You know, 7:32. It's converting to the EST. Okay, so I understand what's the problem now. Now here's the catch. Understood. 1 second. Happy birthday scheduled to 7:22 a.m. Right now, what we do, we change this to 7. What was that? Make it morning. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. the time here? 7:32. Make it 7:35. 7:34. Okay. I'll check this. Let me see again.
Change the date.
Date? No. I'll keep this today only. Right now, the time is in the US. It's morning. Okay. So that's why. 1 second. 34. 34.
Mm-hmm.
Right? AM. What I given? 34 AM. Now let's see.
Wait.
It's company email basically. No. Time zone concern is the one. Oh, I didn't change here. Try again. Refresh.
Nine four.
No, time was correct here actually. 6:24. It should send. Okay, I'll check this, and if I receive this, I'll send you that. You understood the concept, right? Maybe it's just nothing else. The time is correct, is only the culprit, but the flow is working up to the mark. Okay.
Yeah.
Understood. So we'll check this, but yeah, my main goal is to make you understand the concept of schedule flow.
Yeah, I understand this concept.
Okay. Now, guys, Hina, Satyam, any more question?
No, sure.
Hina, you have question? You understood? Shubham, yeah, go ahead.
सर yesterday's question वो डेवलपर कंसोल में करना है क्या मिस्टर
कौन सा वाला ट्रिगर वाला बात करो आप?
जो कल आपने क्वेश्चन दिया था सर
नो यू कैन ट्राई विद दिस क्या कहते हैं उसको यार, फ्लो में करना है, फ्लो यूज करके। नहीं, एपेक्स से लिख दोगे मुझे पता है, बट मैं कर रहा हूँ उसको फ्लो की जगह आप एपेक्स से तो आप लिख दोगे, आई नो, but I just, because it's a flow class, that's why I'm forcing you to try the flow, because trigger we can go, that's correct. This is basically a scenario of trigger only.
Yes sir, that's why I'm
correct. So you can try with the flow, let's see if it can help in the flow. If not, then apex is the only solution, right?
Okay sir.
Okay, Kajal, any question? Satyam already explained.
No, Subham.
You understood, right? Basically the concept, though it's okay the email not trigger, I understand, but you understand the concept, and how you will debug that, you know, correct? Both of you, correct? Okay, understood.
Just one, please stop the recording.
Yeah, sure.